Hey, come here. Did you get an Instant Pot for Christmas and you're trying to figure out what to make and how to use it? Let's make a super simple chicken, rice, and vegetable soup. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my Instant Pot to saute. Then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, onions, celery, garlic. Then I'm going to add some very vegetable and meaty meat seasoning blends. Let's just saute that up a little bit. Then I'm going to add in my chicken. Yes, it's frozen. Then I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to put my lid on and I'm going to set it to meat stew for 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to take off the lid and we are going to shred up our chicken. Once we shred up our chicken, we're going to add in our 4 cups of water, our rice, and our vegetables. Then we're going to hit rice. All right, it's been 12 minutes. My rice is done. Take my lid off. And there you have it. Delicious chicken, rice, and vegetable soup. Oh, let's get it.